Hi, I'm not actually going to go over a question right now. I just want to point out a few things in a couple of different questions. So the first question was number 12. Okay, I had to remind myself. Number 12. Here, you're asked to find the price elasticity of demand of product M and N, income elasticity for the same two products, and then the cross elasticity. The solution, it has the formula all there, so it's very straightforward. You just have to plug the numbers into the formula. But I figured people might have a question of, here to calculate the price elasticity of M, they're calculating between year 1 and 2. Then when they do the price elasticity of N, they're using year 2 and 3. Here for income elasticity, they're using years 3 and 4. I didn't want anyone to get stuck wondering why they picked a particular year. It's just totally random. You need to pick a year, like a time period between 1 and 2, so you can get the change in the price or the change in the quantity demanded, or not price, change in income, the change in quantity demanded, like the change in price. You need those things from one year to the next, but it doesn't matter which year you're choosing. So that's for that one. Then we're also looking at question 13. Now, again, for part A and for part B, the solution provided does explain it pretty well of what you need to do. And then you get to part C, how many boxes should Tom deliver to each town, if available, to maximize his total revenue? The solution, go back over here, number 13. The solution posted just says town A 8, town B 6, so he should deliver 8 to town A, 6 to town B for a total revenue of 500. What we're doing there is looking at town A. So we're given our price, we're given our quantity demanded, so price times quantity is your total revenue, so you fill in this for all of the combinations. The highest revenue he could earn in town A is 320, and that's at a quantity of 8. That's where the 8 came from. And we did the same thing over here. Price times quantity was total revenue. The highest amount we could get here was the 180. So that's where the 6 came from. And then the profit was going to be the 320 and the 180. So again, there wasn't much of an explanation. Sorry, that's not it. It's down here. There wasn't much of an explanation given there, so I just wanted to point that out so no one got stuck on something that was not explained.